it is possible to find any difference between the male brain and female brain?
In humans, there are tiny differences, and it's important to stress they're very small. And if you look at a big group of men, a big group of women, look at their brains, the differences between them are small, big overlapping sets of data. But in humans, they're vanishingly small, nothing like in non-human animals.
Yeah. And why there are so many scientists and researchers that insist in put limits, in put difference, mark difference between?
They're working backwards from the status quo, or they're working backwards from gender gaps. So they're trying to explain why men and women appear to have different skills, different personalities, different occupational choices, and saying this must be because they've got different brains. So they're saying, they look at men and women and say they're different, therefore their brains must be different. So, and this is what scientists have been doing for about 200 years.
And it depends on the evolution of the brains in every case, depends on the environment, the social features.
I think that's very much to do with what I call the old nature or nurture argument. It can only be one or the other. I think in the 21st century, we know enough about the brain to know that what goes on outside the brain has amazing impact on what's happening inside the brain. And that's how we can get to understand how brains get to be different.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.